We are pleased to show you the 2011 Infiniti Fx35. The FX stands out with bold styling, an eager powertrain, and responsive handling. The 3.5-liter V6 provides plenty of power and 18 miles per gallon overall. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.